Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here. So today's video is going to be me replacing my work bag. I've had this work bag for about 6 years now. I didn't use it for about a couple of years, but there was a time where I used it every single day for a long time, and then I got the Neverfull, so I stopped using this bag. But I found it in storage one day and I brought it back out, and I've been using it for the past few months now. But I keep hearing from my friends telling me that I should just replace it and get a new one. So Longchamp has a lot of different colors for their Le Pliage line, and they have a bunch of different trims as well. This bag is in the color paper, and I really just wanted to replace the color because I love it so much and how neutral it is. I love the brown against it, but I thought I would get a different color this time. But I still do love this color, but I am going to give it away to someone that wants to test out the brand and stuff. So I'm going to give it to my friend and it'll go to a good home, but it's still really good. There's no major rips or tears, just corner wear, which is very normal for this purse. I don't know if you guys can see, but the corners get pretty worn down from wear and tear. The handles are a lot more relaxed. I'll show you guys the comparison between these handles and a new one, but that's because it's been in storage. I've used it. The leather just softens up over time, but there is absolutely no cracking whatsoever. So I will be showing you guys a comparison between this one and the new one that I got. Obviously these handles are very softened and it's been in the wash and stuff, because you can wash these bags, just don't dry it in the dryer. Just hang dry it so that the leather don't get all dried out and stuff, and just condition the leather and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and open up this bag and show you guys the new one that I got. And if you guys were following me on Instagram, you guys saw how hard it was for me to pick a color, and a lot of you guys wanted me to get the cognac color, and I thought it was really nice until I saw it in person. I don't know if it was the lighting inside the store, because inside the store is really orange. I had to edit the color in my vlog so you guys can see the colors better on the bags and stuff. But I'm not a fan of that cognac color. I thought I really liked it. I thought it would go really well with the brown, but I ended up not liking it at all. So I was going in between the gunmetal gray. I'll post pictures up here for you guys. The gunmetal gray, the navy with the red trimming, and then the classic navy color. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. There is a little QR code in the shape of a Longchamp bag right here. How cute. So I got the navy and the brown trim. So the reason why I picked this one is because it's still really neutral but on the darker side, and I do like the brown trim because the other two bags have the glazing on it. Like the gunmetal gray has the yellow glazing, and then the navy of the other one has red glazing. And I was just really worried about peeling over time because these handles will eventually get soft, and I was just really worried about glazing and rubbing of the glazing and stuff, and having it, you know, peel and then having to take it in. And the button is actually a different color as well, and I was worried about like wear on that, and I just found that this would be just better to get and more carefree. Look at these handles. Look how stiff they are. They're literally so stiff. And now take a look at these handles. They're so soft, but then again, I do carry a lot of stuff, so that could play a role in these handles. But this handle is so much more stiffer than this one. All right, so the inside of this one is different than the one that I have. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to cut this out real quick. Okay. So the inside of this one is actually black versus the one that I have right now. It's lined with a cream color, and there's actually two pockets. This one right here, which has a little Longchamp card, and then also the back part here has a big pocket. So this back pocket here is new because I never had that in the one that's on the ground right now. But I've always had this one here and that one, but this one looks a lot smaller. So I think they might have made this front pocket a little bit smaller, but they put a back pocket here. So that's nice that they put more compartments, because the other one just only had the front pocket right here that was really small, which I'll show you guys in a second. But that's so nice to have two pockets now. So it's really nice that they added an extra pocket, and it's much larger than the front, and this way you can just put like your card holders or your keys or something right here. They're easy to access, but it's basically a big giant black hole in there. This bag is pretty stuffed right now. I might film a what's in my work bag after this because I already have it out and I'm going to transfer things, so keep an eye out for that. But this front pocket here has always been there, but in the back here, ooh, But in the back here, there's nothing, so that is new. As you can see, the inside of this is cream and it only has one pocket in the front here. There's none in the back right here. Considering the age of this bag, the front button closure here, the gold is still on there. Same with the zipper, there's barely any rubbing off of it, and the zipper still works really nicely. So this bag is in really good condition considering how old it is. That's why I didn't mind getting another one, because I feel like it's so worth it. And for under $200, I can't remember on the top of my head how much this bag cost me, but I know for sure it was not more than like $110 retail. So considering the price that it is and the cost per wear, it's definitely worth it to me, and that's why I didn't mind paying for another one and just getting rid of this one, because it lasts a long time and it's really great quality. That's it to my video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys love your Le Pliage totes as well, and what color you guys have yours in. And if you guys want to see a what's my work bag, that video will be coming soon, so definitely check it out. I'll link it down below once it's uploaded, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.